Today we're taking a look at the Ovia. It's an e-bike from Cyrusher Bikes. This is a step-through bike which makes it great for shorter riders or those with mobility limitations. The Ovia comes in red, white, and gray and will fit riders from 5'3" to 6'6". It's a good-looking bike with similar features that you'd find in a motorcycle, like a front and back suspension. The motor is a 750-watt Bafang motor with 80 Newton-meter max torque. It's run by a 52-volt battery to give you a cruising range of up to 50 miles. The brakes are large 180-millimeter dual hydraulic disc brakes that I found to be very quiet and never pulsed during braking, which is an issue that I've had with other e-bikes. There are 7 gears, thanks to Shimano, and 5 pedal assist levels to get you anywhere you need to go. Mountain-style fat tires are 20 inches by 4 inches across for a better grip on any surface, even sand and snow. And finally, the full suspension includes twin air shocks for the front and one hidden air shock for the rear for a ride that is unbeatable for an electric bike. As we do with all of our videos, we're going to give this a grade. We're going to grade the Cyrusher Ovia on fit, form, and function, the 3 F's, as I call them, of electric bikes. And we're going to see if this is something that you would like to put in your garage. Comes in several colors, and like we do with every video, we're going to take it out of the box, put it together, and see just how easy it is to assemble. I have to be honest, that was perhaps the easiest bike assembly that I have ever undertaken. Yes. So let's do a quick little walk around. I'll show you some of the features that I really like already and something that the manufacturer forgot. I love this color in red. There's 2 other colors that are available, but for me it was red. I love this bike right here. That is gorgeous. You have the fat tires, you have the brake system right there, you have a huge headlight, and it all went together very well. They protected this bike, okay, from any scratches or any dings or anything like that in the packaging. Even this protects the tips of your brakes. Yeah, look at that. Okay, as far as tools, the only thing I needed, a pair of scissors, maybe, okay? There's something they forgot. They give you a screwdriver. I don't know why, I haven't found a use for this. You have 2 wrenches that you will use, and this is a very cool Allen key for everything to tighten up all kinds of bolts right here, all over the bike. This is what you need. The one thing they forgot, they sent me this pretty cool little fender for the front tire, but there's nothing to attach it to right here. Okay, this is where it should go, but there's no way to attach it. There are no extra screws or anything like that, so I'm going to have to figure out something to do. They also send you, if you want to add them, some rear view mirrors. You get 1 for each side. How cool was that? I'm going to leave mine off for now. I may put them on later. Everything was mostly ready to go. Okay, so the whole handlebar situation right here, that was already attached. Your display was already attached. This was already done. We just had to do the pedals, do this, and it was really cool. Oh, we have a little scratch right there. How did that happen? I don't know, manufacturer defect. The battery right here is heavy and it slides in, so they hide the battery. A lot of other bike companies will just put it right back here. Okay, and I like, once again, when they give you a little shelf on the back. Okay, love it, love it, love it. This went together so well, so easy, in record time. I gotta say, I'm very impressed with what I have seen so far. Every e-bike that I have tested comes with this unit right here. This is different. That's good. I can adjust this so it's up a little bit. I can adjust the handlebars. I didn't tighten everything down, because I wanted to give it a test fit first and see just how well it all went together, and it did. This, this Cyrusher Ovia is one beautiful bike. One thing I do want to point out is they give you an Allen key for these little adjusters right here to hold on the headlight. This is too small. What you actually need is a 3mm, okay, Allen key, which fits perfectly, and then you can tighten this up, okay? So with manufacturers, when you go back and watch the video, because I know you will, this needs to be changed. You need to include a 3mm. I think you've given us a 2. It's just too small. So we need a little bigger Allen key to adjust the brackets for the headlights. We have rectified the situation. We have found a couple of screws at our local Lowe's or Home Depot. Super easy to find. I now have a chest-mounted camera system, and it is time to take this Ovia out on the road and show you what it's like to ride this electric bike. I am going to tell you, I love it. First off, the only thing I don't really like about it, and you're going to see this right here, turning radius is not the best, okay? Sometimes when you want to go somewhere, you kind of have to do like a 3-point turn to back it up and get it to go where you want it to go. Other than that though, this is a comfortable bike. We'll turn on the power right here. I love this. This is nicer than most of the other e-bikes that you're going to find. And we're going to take her for a little spin. We are in power assist mode 1, which makes it very easy to ride. Let me kind of raise this a little bit. There we go. And I got to tell you, this air shock system makes this one very nice riding e-bike. This is power assist 1. Okay, so we're going 15. Top speed is 20 unassisted. Okay, but if you use your pedals and you're in pedal assist mode 5, you can get up to 28 miles an hour. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. We'll up it. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? There's the power. And this little motor is really torquey. That's a good car word for you right there. It's very torquey, which means you're going to get up to speed very, very fast. I like the seat, the way the seat feels. Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there. Holy crap. Sometimes you forget how much speed this bike will get to quickly. It is not the fastest of the bunch, and I've tested, this is my 6th or 7th e-bike. It's not the fastest top speed, but it's like a quarter horse. Okay, quarter horses are the fastest animals in the world up to a quarter mile. That's where they get their name, quarter horse. They're not a thoroughbred. This is like a quarter horse, because the torque, woo, will get you there quickly. And this suspension over these bumps like this is really, really nice. As far as price, the Ovia normally retails for about $2,499, although right now you can get one for $2,299. And that is kind of expensive for an electric bike. It's more than twice the price of some of the electric bikes that I have tested here. Is it worth the extra money? Well, you can feel it. I think it is, because the bike just seems to be so well put together. It's a little heavier. You have that full air suspension on the front and the back, which makes riding this thing just a breeze. You have that oversized headlight, which isn't the brightest, but it does work and it looks pretty good. So yeah, I would say that $22.99, I think it's worth the price, because you also get a 2-year warranty. Most electric bikes only come with a 1-year warranty. This time they're extending it to 2. So Cyrusher, thank you very much for the extra year of warranty, and thank you very much for creating a beautiful, beautiful bike. By the way, Ovia, I'm told in Spanish, means obvious. And it's an obvious good decision if you buy the bike. Yeah, all right, let's get back and we will give her a final grade. Remember, we're judging on fit, form, and function. So how did the Ovia do overall? Well, let's talk about fit, how well the bike fit together. Because we were missing a couple of screws right down here to hold the fender on, and they needed to add one of the little Allen keys to adjust the headlight, I'm giving it an A-. Other than that, the way it was packed was spectacular. This thing did not move. It came with two huge pieces of foam that it was like you packed a camera, a $10,000 camera. They packed this bike amazingly well. Great job there. Form, let's talk about it. What do you think about the bike? Do you think it looks good? I gotta say, this is the best color. I love it. I love the fact that they hide the battery right in here. Pedal travel is nice. The air suspension is the best ever, and the seat right here is probably one of the softest seats that I have ever sat on. But overall, we are going to give it an A+ in form. Function. This bike is so easy to ride. The step through, you could be 80 years old. My 85-year-old mother could ride this thing, and she would love it. It's easy to ride. It is comfortable. The tires are nice, fat, 4-inch fat tires, and it's great. The display is a little better than you see on some of the other bikes. Same transmission. The motor's a little more torquey. You get a light switch here. You get a little horn that is loud right there as well. So as far as function, love it. A+. Yeah, this bike deserves that. So overall grade we're giving the bike, A+. It is a little pricey, I will say that. $22.99, $2,300 can be a lot to spend on a bike, but you get that extra year of warranty and you can just feel it. You really can. You can just kind of feel the power of the bike and the quality and the way that it rides. I love it. I really, really do. So thank you very much for watching. We're going to take this for another spin because I just can't get enough of this one. And yes, Ovia means obvious, and you obviously are a great buyer and you have great taste when you take a look at the latest from Cyrusher. Okay? We'll see you in the next video, folks. Have a great day. Okay? Bye-bye.